There must be many seafood cans for the new year. Let's make abalone and scallop soup today. I am cooking herbal soup. If you don't like herbal soup, you can also cook chicken soup instead. Basically, abalone and scallops go well with both herbal soup and chicken soup. The ingredients are very simple. I have prepared a herbal soup pack, mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and canned abalone and scallops. Wash the shiitake mushrooms, squeeze out the water, and set aside. To make the shiitake mushrooms look better, you can make 2 cuts on them. Put the herbal soup pack into the pot and cook until the flavor is released. Add the mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms, cover the pot, and cook for 30 minutes. Season the cooked soup with salt and pepper. Some soup packs are already seasoned, so remember to taste the soup first before seasoning. Add the abalone and scallops when ready to eat. Do not cook the abalone and scallops for too long to avoid affecting the texture. The best texture is achieved by cooking the abalone and scallops for just 1 to 2 minutes until heated through. Overcooking will make them tough and rubbery. Simply warm them in the hot soup right before serving. Sprinkle some goji berries into the soup. The color looks extremely beautiful. Abalone and scallops usually refer to a combination of canned abalone with scallops or small abalone and shellfish. It is a convenient ingredient commonly used in soups and dishes. Abalone and scallops have a delicious flavor and a tender texture, adding a taste of the sea to any meal. Abalone and scallops are rich in high-quality protein, which helps with body repair and maintaining muscle health. They also contain various minerals like zinc and selenium, which are very important for the immune system and metabolism. Additionally, they are low in fat, making them a nutritious and healthy ingredient choice. In Chinese New Year cuisine, abalone and scallops carry auspicious meanings, with abalone symbolizing wealth and surplus because its name sounds like having leftovers, while scallops represent smooth sailing and good fortune for the year ahead. With this delicious abalone and scallop soup, I wish everyone a prosperous new year with abundance and good fortune. May this bowl of soup bring you smooth sailing and success in everything you do. Wishing you and your family a happy new year, full of togetherness and wonderful moments shared over good food. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.